In this video, you'll learn how to enable price alerts on Bitget, allowing you to stay updated on market movements. By following these steps, you will set up notifications that inform you when a specific cryptocurrency reaches your desired price point. Begin by navigating to the Bitget exchange website. Once you are on the homepage, ensure you are logged into your account. If prompted, enter your credentials to sign in. After successfully logging in, you will be directed to the main dashboard where you can access various trading features. Next, locate the Markets option on the main navigation menu at the top of the screen. Click on Markets to view the different trading pairs available. This section displays real-time market data and enables you to select the cryptocurrency for which you want to set price alerts. After that, you will see a highlighted section within the Markets page. Click on the highlighted area to reveal additional options related to trading pairs. From here, find and select the price alert option to proceed with setting up your alert. Once you click on price alert, a new screen will appear, presenting you with various options to customize your alert settings. You will then need to select spot to monitor spot prices. This allows you to track the current price of the cryptocurrency you are interested in. Following this, click on futures if you want to set alerts for futures contracts. This section is particularly useful for traders who engage in futures trading. You can select all to view all available futures contracts or specific categories like USDTM, CoinM, or USDCM for more focused monitoring. After selecting the appropriate category, locate the alert monitoring section. Here, you can view any existing alerts and manage them as needed. To create a new alert, click on the Create Alert button, which will take you to the alert configuration screen. At this point, select the pair option to choose the specific cryptocurrency pair for which you want to set the alert. Once you have made your selection, click on Last Price to specify the price level at which you want to receive notifications. Next, click on Alert Type to determine the conditions under which you want to be alerted. You can choose options such as price rises to or price drops to based on your trading strategy. This flexibility allows you to tailor alerts to your specific needs. After selecting the alert type, specify the price by clicking on Last Price to input the exact figure that will trigger the alert. This ensures that you are notified precisely when the cryptocurrency reaches your desired price point. Following this, click on Frequency to select how often you would like to receive notifications. Options typically include settings like only once or every time, depending on how frequently you want to be alerted. Then click on Alert Mode to choose the method of notification. You can select options such as app push notification or desktop pop-up to ensure that you receive the alerts in a manner that suits you best. Finally, after configuring all your settings, click on the Create Alert button to finalize the process. This action will save your alert, and you should see a confirmation message indicating that your alert, and there you have it. You have now successfully completed a tutorial on enabling price alerts on Bitget. Thanks for watching, and see you soon.